Hello children, welcome to Study Table. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create impressive posters in the site Canva. Now many times for school, you will have to create a poster or a photo collage or some kind of a flyer or a brochure, something or the other you will have to create every time, isn't it? So that time you will have numerous options in Google for to make all these things, but I always prefer this particular site called Canva because it gives me numerous options, very creative and very impressive options like what you see on my screen. There are so many options for Canva, even for brochures, documents, magazine covers. So many options Canva gives me. So today I'm going to show you just one example. I'll just take a simple one, a poster. Okay, I'm going to make a poster for you today. You can see how you can edit this poster that I'll be showing you. The only thing that you have to be careful while doing Canva is there are paid templates as well as free templates. So make sure you always go for the free templates. If you're going for the paid ones, you will have to pay and then only you can download it. But otherwise, there are numerous options. There are numerous free templates in Canva which you can use for yourself. So I'm just taking, for example, this template I've taken. Now, what all can I do here? That is what I'm going to show you. Now, just understand that whatever images, whatever pictures, whatever texts are there in this template, these are editable. These are movable or these are editable. You can change, you can delete, whatever you want. Anything can be done. So first, I'm just going to change this picture. Now, this is an element actually. This is a frame actually. I'll show you how to get it. If I want to get that particular frame, you go to element section here on the left-hand corner. You have something called these frames. See, these are the frames that you can use for your images. So these are pretty impressive. So if I'm using this and I'm going for uploads, I'm going to take an image here and simply you drag and drop that image into that element. That picture takes the shape of that element. Now if you want to adjust your how you want it, that also you can do by double clicking on the image. That is also possible. So that is done. Now this picture again I want to change. That is another element. You can see that. Okay, so I'm going to post this here. See, that is also done. Now this and text I'm going to change now. I don't want this text. I'm going to type another text now. How to add text into your template. Here you can see the text option where you have different options. Animations are also possible here. So I have clicked on add a heading. So I'm just randomly giving a title. Sorry, it does not come. Okay. So this is the title that I have taken for my poster, ecotourism. Fine, so that has come here. You can align it however you want it. You can align it. Suppose you want to increase this one, that is also possible. Okay, you place it here. I want it here. Fine. So that is done. Now I would like to add a few text here. Whatever you want to announce, that is possible, and then you select it. Here you can change the font of your text. Here again there are so many options for font. You can change the font size, and then alignment is also possible. It's rest everything is same like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Everything is the same. Okay, fine. So that is done. If you get it like this, that means some alignment is pending. Okay, now it's done. Now the alignment is proper. So that is it. Now I have worked on the my template is done now. Uploads, I hope I showed you. Yes, I showed you. Here you can upload media from your device as well. That option is also possible. And there are inbuilt photos also which you can use. Here again, there are free and paid. So you can use the free ones for your templates. Then elements we have discussed. You can search here and various options you will get. Here again, you have free and paid. You can see that here. These are paid ones, but this is free one. And then text we have shown. Then music, you have got free background music also, which you can add to your poster. That will be pretty interesting. And then videos also, if you want some motion kind of images also for your template, that is also available in Canva. So these are the various options that you have in Canva. So once you're done with your template, what you need to do next is to download. Okay, so for that, simply you click on the download option that you see on the right corner. Canva again gives you options here. You can either download it as a JPG image or you can download it as a PDF. Now, if you're inserting some text, some videos or music or something, you can download it as a MP4 video as well. So that is also possible. Even creating a GIF is also possible in Canva. So right now I'm going to select PDF option because this is a poster and I would like to get it as a PDF, or even JPG is fine for a poster. So I can download it. It simply gets downloaded into my system. So like this, you can even explore other options like flyers or brochures or calendar or photo collage, whatever you want to make. You can try all those options here. So there goes my picture. This is my poster that I have downloaded. Now this I can use for various purposes. I hope you got it. Canva is pretty interesting and pretty easy to learn. Anybody can learn Canva. Very simple it is. So please explore yourself and let me know your feedbacks for the same. Thank you.